Stop scrolling. One simple move before bed can help strengthen your pelvic floor. Try this tonight and learn how to activate the muscles most people forget. Start with the frog stretch for 30 seconds. This movement helps open the hips, improve inner thigh flexibility, and reduce tension around the pelvis. Better hip mobility can support healthy pelvic floor function and comfortable movement. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat for 2 rounds, focusing on slow, relaxed breathing. Next, reverse Kegels. Perform 8 to 10 relaxed repetitions, holding each release for about 3 seconds. This exercise helps reduce unnecessary pelvic floor tension, improve pelvic awareness, and develop better control between contraction and relaxation. Perform 2 to 3 sets. Now it's time for glute bridges. This exercise strengthens your glutes and supports stability around the hips and pelvis. Stronger glutes can help improve pelvic control and lower body movement. Perform 12 to 15 controlled repetitions for 3 sets. Add this movement regularly to build a stronger foundation around your pelvis. Next, bodyweight squats. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. Squats strengthen the glutes, thighs, and core while challenging pelvic and lower body stability. Regular strength training can improve functional strength, coordination, and overall pelvic control. Finish with the dead bug. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions per side for 2 to 3 sets. This exercise strengthens the deep core, improves coordination, and supports pelvic stability. Move with control and focus on maintaining strong core activation throughout every repetition. If you want more evidence-based exercises for strength, mobility, and pelvic health, subscribe to Mr. Knowledgeism. Your stronger body starts with what you do today.